If you've been clicking links on the internet this whole time and you're not using this app right now, you have been missing out on a lot of free money. This hot new trending app is paying thousands of people free money online, just like this, for clicking links on their smartphone. You can download it right now on whatever device it is you're using, and it will pay you every time you click links on your phone. Seriously, you can earn real money every time you click. I know it sounds crazy, but just look at these earnings on this app right here. This is over $700 earned so far. On this account, 136 earned today. And you can see that definitely this is working. It's a free app, by the way. You do not have to pay money for this. And it really, really works. You can start earning with it right now. People are already starting to find out about this app, so stop slacking and get on this before it's too late. It's currently paying people from all over the world, and it doesn't just pay with PayPal. You can also use any payment option that is available to your country, as you can see. These are so many people just coming onto the website right now. They're not earning a lot of money, which means this is the only opportunity that you have to jump on this app right now and start earning before all these other guys go out and do it. So, right now, I want to show you how the app works, how to make money with it, and all that good stuff. And all I ask in return is that you hit that like button to let me know that you want to see this video. It's also going to tell me that I should make more videos like these in the future for you. And of course, feel free to type in the comments below what country you are watching from so that I know exactly what videos to make specifically for your country. And of course, if at the end of this video you think you want to see more videos like this, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right below. So here we are on the website right here. As you can see, the homepage is kind of designed for people who want to advertise on this website, so they actually charge their money. But I'm going to show you where to click to go to make money on this website instead of having to pay money, because we want to make money here. We're not looking to advertise any. So what I want to do, just scroll all the way back to the top here and click the menu button and click Learn How to Make Money. It's going to take you to this page, and you can see that it says Make Money Online Without Investing or Performing Simple Tasks. And the key feature of this website right here, that you can withdraw even if you have just $0.03 on your account, which is insane. Many websites don't let you withdraw even lower than $5, but this one lets you withdraw even just a tiny fraction of $1. And so the name of the website is called Surfy. As you can see, the first thing you have to do is to get registered on the website. Just sign up, click the button instead of Start Making Money, and it's going to take you to the registration page. Sign up for a free account and get your account verified. And then what you want to do is install the Chrome extension on your computer. This works much better on a computer. So of course, if you have one, you have to go online and search for the Chrome extension and have it installed on your computer. And after that, you can choose any tasks that you want to perform inside the website. So you can start getting paid, and finally, you get paid as soon as you earn at least $0.03 on your account. You can withdraw with any of these payment options right here. You can use Chewy, Yandex, WebMoney, Payeer, and even add EVCash. So, of course, you know that this definitely works in whatever country you're in. You do not have to use PayPal if it's not available to you in your country. And a few key features you have to remember on this website is that, of course, the withdrawal is instant. It happens within a minute. They're going to send your money straight to you as soon as you request a payout. And again, that withdrawal limit is just really, really low. So you guys really have no excuse not to use websites like this. They pay you in dollars, so they're not going to have to use outrageous exchange rates. It works with any browser. You can use it on Firefox, Chrome, Opera, Yandex, and even Safari. So of course you can use this on any browser that you're on right now. Anyone can make money with this. It doesn't really matter what country you're in or how old you are, as long as you have a device that lets you click links. You can use this website to make money. You can easily withdraw as soon as you start earning. To any payment option that's available to you. As you can see over here, the payment proof I showed you earlier was from surf.b. So, of course, you know, this app does pay, and as long as you can click links on whatever device you're using right now, you can make money with this as well. And I also love that they do have an affiliate program, which is really, really interesting. You can actually make money on performers and advertisers depending on which one that you want. And so for performance, you get to earn about 5 to 10% of every person that you bring. The more people you bring to the platform, obviously the more money you're going to make. And of course, you can also earn on advertisers right here. You will also earn about 5 to 10% of whatever amount the advertiser spent in this website. So imagine if someone came out here and spent $1,000, you could earn anywhere from $50 to $100 from that money if you brought that person to serve that bee. And so there's just so many opportunities to make money on this website. Go ahead and try out this stuff. This is something you do without even having to think about it, because you surf the internet all the time, you click links, you read blogs, you do a lot of stuff. And so you could be making money doing all of that because SurfBee is going to serve you ads and it will pay you for that, as long as you keep clicking those links. So I think this is one of the easiest ways to make money online. Right now, go ahead and try this again. If you're not sure if this works in your country, just type in the comments below what country you're from so I can confirm to you if this method works in your country right now. If you like this video, hit that like button super hard and let me know that you love. This is going to tell me that I should make even more videos like these in the future for you. And if you do not want to miss my next update, hit that subscribe button right down below, and do not leave without sharing this video to a friend to help them make money online as well. All right, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video. You stay tuned.